Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you through a super common but surprisingly tricky situation in Google Sheets, how to exit full screen mode. If you've ever hit a button or a shortcut and suddenly your entire Google Sheets just takes over your whole screen without any visible way to get out, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to exit full screen mode and smoothly switch back and forth whenever you need. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, if you find yourself in full screen mode and you're a bit stuck, it can feel a little claustrophobic. Maybe all the menus and tabs have disappeared from the top and your browser toolbar is gone. Don't panic. This is actually just a viewing mode meant to help you focus, but I know how frustrating it can be when you can't figure out how to get back to normal. Now, the quickest way out is simply to press the escape key on your keyboard. It's usually labeled as ESC, and you'll typically find it at the very top left corner of your keyboard. Go ahead and give that a tap. You might notice there's no dramatic pop-up or slider. Google Sheets will just quietly drop you back to the regular view, bringing all your toolbars and tabs in your browser back so you can see everything again. Think of escape as your get me out of here button whenever a computer program is feeling a little too immersive. And don't worry if you accidentally press escape and exit full screen without meaning to, it's just as easy to get right back in. Let's say you actually enjoy working in full screen, maybe when you're presenting data or you want to minimize distractions. To return to full screen mode, you'll want to look for the View tab, which should be at the very top of your Google Sheets window, usually right between Insert and Format. Click on View and you'll see a drop-down menu. Inside that menu, you'll find the full screen option. Go ahead and click that and you'll enter full screen mode again. This hides all those extra browser distractions and lets you focus solely on your spreadsheet. It's kind of like turning your desk lamp on and blocking out everything else in the room just so you can concentrate on your work. If you're someone who likes to switch back and forth between focused work and regular view, this is a really handy thing to know. And remember, whenever you're ready to leave full screen, just press escape. You don't need to hunt through menus or wonder if you're stuck. It's always just one button away. So that's all there is to it. Exiting and entering full screen mode in Google Sheets is super straightforward once you know the keyboard shortcut and where to find the option in the menus. I hope this helps you stay efficient and stress-free the next time you're working in Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or tips you want to share, drop them down in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.